How to find and activate Grab promo vouchers. First of all, open your Grab app and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you are in, go to Account tab, which is usually located at the bottom right of your screen. Under the For More Value section, you will find the listed promo vouchers. Tap on Rewards and you will see available promos, but most of these can be only redeemed by spending your points. If you have enough points, you can redeem and use them without any hassle. You'll find different types such as ride discount, food delivery vouchers, or shopping offers. Make sure to check the expiration date and any specific terms and conditions for each voucher. Once you have found the voucher you'd like to use, tap on Redeem. If the promo requires a code, it will be automatically copied to your clipboard. If not, you may need to tap Activate to apply it to your next purchase or ride. After activation, you will be ready to use the promo voucher immediately. Just proceed with your order or ride, and the discount will be applied automatically at checkout. Keep checking regularly, you might find some free promo vouchers as well. Under the challenges section, you will also find additional voucher. Complete the listed challenge and you can earn Grab food vouchers easily. And that's it. Now you know how to find and activate Grab promo vouchers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.